Good morning, children. I am Mrs. Javeria, taking physical science for class 9th. We are into the 4th session of Unit 2, Motion. In our previous sessions, I had dealt with equations of motion. The first equation and second equation I had solved. Okay, so in this session, I'll be solving the third equation. Once go through your third session video, children, before watching this video. It will be easy to understand. I'm again repeating, children. The equations of uniform accelerated motion are the first one, v equal to u plus at. Second equation, s is equal to ut plus half at square. Third equation, v square minus u square is equal to 2as, where u is your initial velocity, v is your final velocity, a is acceleration, s is displacement or distance in a specified direction, and t is the time taken. Okay, the first two equations we have already solved. Let's see the third equation. From the first equation, children, what is first equation? First equation is v is equal to u plus at. Just rearrange this equation, children. Get the initial velocity to the left hand side. So we get v minus u is equal to at. Let this be equation 1. We know that average velocity is equal to s by t. That is displacement by time. Okay. So, but we know average velocity is also equal to the sum of the two velocities by number of the velocities. Okay, this is same as your how you calculate mean in your mathematics, that is sum of observations by number of observations. So here sum of the two velocities is initial velocity plus final velocity by 2. Okay, since both the left hand sides are equal, we can just equate them and write u plus v by 2 is equal to s by t. Okay, now this is your fourth equation. Now you have got your first equation and fourth equation. Get the fourth equation, that is 2 from this side, take it to the other side. We'll have u plus v is equal to 2s by t. Okay, children. Now we have got u plus v is equal to 2s by t. V minus u is equal to at. Right? So this is v minus u, multiplying LHS, LHS, and then RHS and RHS. So v minus u into v plus u is equal to at into 2s by t. Why did we multiply both the LHS, children? So if you just see here, this is of the form a plus b into a minus b. Okay, a plus b into a minus b. We get a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So here v plus u into v minus u is same as v square minus u square. Okay, this t and t gets cancelled. So we have 2as. So v square minus u square is equal to 2as. This is the third equation of motion, right?
The first question in this session is, a man is 48 meters behind the bus which is at rest. The bus starts accelerating at the rate of 1 meter per second square. At the same time, the man starts running with a uniform velocity of 10 meter per second. What is the minimum time in which the man catches the bus? So for any problem, we'll be writing what is given first in the question. So the distance between the man and the bus is 48 meters. And for the bus, if we calculate first, initial velocity, that is the bus is at rest. That is why initial velocity will be equal to 0 meter per second. And the acceleration of the bus is 1 meter per second square. We know displacement formula, that is s is equal to ut plus half at square. Since initial velocity is 0, we'll substitute 0. 0 into t is 0 plus half into acceleration is 1 meter per second square. So 1 into t square, which is equal to half t square. Now for the man, if we calculate the displacement, we know the man is 48 meters behind the bus. That is why the distance covered by the bus plus the distance between the bus and the man will be the total displacement for the man. Okay, children. But displacement can also be written as velocity into time. So velocity of man is 10 and time is t, which is equal to 10t. Now we know both these displacements are same. Therefore, we can write 10t is equal to half t square plus 48. Just rearrange this equation, we get 20t is equal to t square plus 96. We are getting a quadratic equation, that is t square minus 20t plus 96 equal to 0. So t square, when you are splitting, that is doing factorization, we get 96 can be expressed as 12 into 8, the factors of 96. Okay, and minus 12 and minus 8 is minus 20. So t square minus 12t minus 8t plus 96 is equal to 0. T into t minus 12, and here again minus 8 into t minus 12 equal to 0. T minus 8 into t minus 12 is equal to 0. So t can be equal to 8 or t can be equal to 12. Right, children? So t minus 8 is 0, so t is equal to 8. T minus 12 is 0, so t is equal to 12. So the minimum time in which the man can catch the bus is 8 seconds.
Coming to the assignment, children. First question, write the third equation of motion and explain the terms in it. And the second question, solve the problem of the man in the bus, which I have solved just now in the video in your book. I hope it's clear, children. You are going to solve the problem again in your book in which you are writing your assignments. Okay? Thank you.